everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this particular tutorial I want to show you guys how we achieved this look. If you want to see how I did it, stay till the end. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share and to subscribe. It encourages me to do this more. So this is the hairline of the model, guys. She has really low hairline, like her hair was already meeting at the point of her eyebrow. So anyway, I know how to handle this, so I prepped the hair. I just used a hairspray. You can see me sprayed, and then I used a blow dryer to blow dry. Made it very flat. Like when I say flat, I made it really. It also helps to this process helps to protect her hair, so it's become very easy to take off the glue. So here I'd already placed the wig on her. Just wanted to see what I'm working with and to shaping it. So I cut. If you've watched any of my tutorials before, if you haven't, please go back to the old videos. You understand why I'm cutting off the lace like this. So I did that. This is also part of the prep process, and I was also mapping out how I was going to install the wig on her. And this was a previously used frontal anyway, so you can see me putting those dots just to know where I'm going to start. Sometimes I do this just to act like a guide to show me where I'm going to be starting from with my glue. Okay, so this is my glue application. I applied it like this. I only used one layer because it's a model, it's a shoot. We're taking it right after taking the wig off her head right after the shoot, so there's no point to apply multiple layers of glue. So I did this, apply the glue like this. Just watch me apply and do the rest of it. So here I just dried a bit, allowed the to make the glue dry faster. I pressed in the wig into the glue. Then I had to seal the edges of the lace frontal with more glue. Yeah, seal off any area that is lifting that doesn't have any glue attach. Make sure you apply glue there. You can see I'm really applying a very tiny layer, just one layer. Like I said earlier, I'm taking off this wig. So yeah, that's basically what I did, and then proceeded to the next step. So here I just tied the band, asked her to help me, and after tying the band I proceeded to drying, and then I took it off. I dried for about 5 minutes, and then I took it off. So you see those white dots on her hairline? I had to use my tweezer to pick it out. Then here I did detailing. If you don't understand what I mean by detailing, please watch my previous tutorials. I explained it properly. Yep. So after that I proceeded with mousse. If you remember, I already explained that doing this step gives your install a very smooth, clean look, and it's very important. This is a big secret. Okay, so you can see how the frontal is sitting on. There's still a little bit of hair around her brow area, but that was okay because it worked out fine. So here I proceeded to hot combing. Just wanted to hot comb and make sure that the area is that front section is looking smooth. Then this frontal, like I said, is previously used, so it was layered before, and I needed to add some length to it. So you can see me, I'm just attaching a tiny bundle that I cut into two, and I stitched it in 3 different places on the frontal, and then you just give the front a bit more of length. Okay, so that's basically what I'm doing here. And while I'm stitching, I'm very careful to make sure that I'm not picking her hair like underneath the lace. I already know how to handle this. If you're not able to do this, please do it off your customer before you put the wig on. But for me, I've already mastered the process, so I was able to do this successfully. And so after that, I then went in with my melting spray. Very important, I did not skip it. I just wanted to make sure that the front part was properly done before I put the melting spray. Then I proceeded to just layering it a bit. I didn't want it extremely long, and then I curled the sections. Now before you curl, always spray. It helps your curl to last. So basically that's what I did here. Curled it with a medium-sized barrel based on the kind of look that I was going for. You can see the barrel size, and that's it for this one. So now to the styling of the hair. I just divided the hair into two, basically imaginary anyway, but I then proceeded to dividing it actually. Like you can see, I just held the top section into a pony. Then you can see me do that here exactly. So I had one of my staff, my team members, prepare a band for me. So basically all you need is a rubber band and 2 bobby pins. Put the bobby pins, and then it makes it very easy for you to tie a section like this. Very, very easy. So basically you see me just put the elastic band. I'm not sure I showed you guys how I sprayed, but please always make sure you spray when you're styling your sections. It makes it very clean and smooth. And yeah, I'm a perfectionist, so basically, yeah, that's it. That's what I did. I just went in with the band. You can see it. I asked her to put it inside, and now you see what it was. I just tucked it in, and then I used it to just go around that section to just tie it into a pony. So basically that's like a high-rise pony, and then the bottom was falling. So you can see how the bottom was just dropping. Then I had one of my team members curl the bottom part the way that I wanted it, while I worked on the upper part because I was running out of time and the model had to go start her makeup. So I divided that part. I took a tiny part of that pony in front, left it in front. Then the other part at the bottom, I divided into 2. Then you can see me trying to work my way to work on the shape. So I was not getting the shape the way I wanted, so I then decided to back comb the section and sprayed it. What I'm currently doing, I'm just trying to clean out that section, trying to arrange the bow. So I decided to create what I tried to create was a bow, for this section, just to create a sweetheart look here. So I created a bow, and on the other side, so this other part I teased, I back combed, teasing and back combing. I back combed it just to give it a little bit of volume, and then I bent it over to create a second, but you can see me just checking it out. But I didn't just, I had to tease first to give it hold. So after I teased, I sprayed. You can see me. I'm trying to clean it a little bit. Then I sprayed. Yeah. Always make sure you spray so your section is clean. And you can see my staff is also, coiling the bottom part. We're trying to save time. Then you can see me in that section that I just folded. Now I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. Then I would shape it into the shape that I want. And that's it. It's really easy. So you can see I'm trying to make sure that the both bows are identical, that we look alike. After doing that, the top section there that I had separated before I brought it down, you can see me, I'm still cleaning and spraying it. Then I'm going to drag it down like that and then put a pin there. And then put it under, you can see, putting it under the other one, inside the other bow, and then I tucked it in with a pin. And then I finished coiling the bottom part of my staff finished coiling the bottom part of the hair, and then the model was ready to go get her makeup done. So you can see her, she's completely done, looking all, and I just made this video to show you guys what it looked like. So I left the pins in, put some elastic band over the front of her hair, and allowed her to go to her makeup. Then when it was time for me to go back and finish off what I started, I arrived at you can see the change of scenery. I got to the makeup artist location. I sprayed, took down those two front sections that I curled, took out the pins, and just basically worked my way, just combed and sprayed until I got the desired shape that I wanted. And that was it. Then I took down the pins at the back of the hair, the lower section that was curled. I just took off the pins and sprayed it and dressed it how I wanted. So you can see how the coil is looking, and that's it. I really hope you've learned something from this video. I hope it's worth your time. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe. It's really going to help other people find this channel, and it's also going to encourage me to keep posting and sharing more tutorials and videos. So yeah, it takes a lot of energy to do this, a lot of work, a lot of commitment. I need the support, guys. Please support me, like, share this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll see you guys in another one. Oh, before I go here, I just simply used a very tiny precise makeup brush, and I applied foundation on her C-parts, so you can see her so beautiful, flawless. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna say it again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you. I'll see you guys in another video.